Creative outdoor Christmas ideas for your front yard. The holiday season approaches. Transforming your front yard into a festive wonderland becomes an exciting project. With a few easy Christmas ideas, you can enhance your outdoor space and spread holiday cheer throughout the neighborhood. Here are some creative suggestions for outdoor Christmas decorations that will elevate your home's curb appeal. Festive landscaping with evergreen accents. Incorporate seasonal decor into your landscaping by adding evergreen plants. Evergreens not only provide a beautiful backdrop, but also serve as a symbol of enduring life during the winter months. Consider lining your pathways with potted evergreens, or strategically placing them around your front yard to create a cohesive look. You can also wrap them with outdoor lights to add a magical glow as the sun sets. Dazzling outdoor lights. No outdoor Christmas display is complete without twinkling lights. Use a mix of string lights and spotlights to highlight your front yard decor. Wrap lights around trees, drape them along your porch railing, or hang them from eaves to create a warm, inviting atmosphere. Opt for colored lights for a playful vibe, or stick with classic white lights for a more elegant touch. The right lighting can transform your winter garden into a dazzling nighttime spectacle. Whimsical holiday decorations. Incorporate playful holiday decorations that capture the spirit of the season. Think inflatable snowmen, Santas, or reindeer that bring a sense of fun to your front yard. You can also craft DIY decorations such as hand-painted wooden signs or festive wreaths that add a personal touch. These whimsical elements will delight both children and adults alike, making your home a focal point of holiday joy. Create a cozy nook. Consider designing an outdoor seating area that's perfect for enjoying the winter weather. Use comfortable cushions, throw blankets, and a fire pit to create an inviting space for friends and family. Accessorize with seasonal decor like holiday-themed pillows or garlands to enhance the festive atmosphere. This cozy nook will not only serve as a charming feature in your front yard, but also as a gathering spot for holiday celebrations. A theme display. Bring a sense of unity to your front yard decor by choosing a specific theme for your holiday decorations. Whether it's a classic winter wonderland, a rustic farmhouse style, or a vibrant candy cane theme, consistency will elevate your outdoor Christmas display. Incorporate elements like themed ornaments, color-coordinated lights, and matching decorations to create a harmonious aesthetic that captures the magic of the season. By implementing these easy Christmas ideas, your front yard can become a stunning showcase of holiday spirit. With thoughtful planning and creative execution, your outdoor space will not only enhance your home's charm, but also foster a sense of community during this joyful season. Embrace the magic of festive landscaping and let your outdoor Christmas decorations shine bright for all to see.